They call me Killer Reese, where I'm from. Got an itty bitty conscience, I'm dumb, I'm numb. I got the stomach of a dictator, burn the whole village, make examples out of haters. That's hard. Perky motherfucker that I pull that card. You didn't think that I would take it this far. You ain't watching. My actions of late have been bizarre. I'm getting weird in my old age. Me and this life are no longer on the same page. So I push it to the limit, push your face against the wall and stick a ice pick in your gimmick. You can't go or I take it. Smoking coke blunts, half up, half baked shit. Feeling like an animal. Chop him up and eat him like a motherfucking cannibal. I guess this is the party song, hey. But when I wrote it, wasn't feeling that way. I was supposed to rap about dancing, but something struck a nerve and I went off on a tangent. I wanna say something fun. I'm sick of talking about my motherfucking gun. So have a drink, get numb, go dumb, put your finger in the air if you the one. I can't do no sucker shit, that ain't my twist, man. When I was coming up, I hit licks and I gangbang. Hip-hop nigga, but I'm with the business. Push the wrong button, my reaction relentless. And that's on Jesus, even if it's Jesus. He gon' have to see who the fuck Maurice is. I'm a heathen, even bloody a beaten. I keep that shit poppin', nigga, give me a reason. I'm nuts in season, my nuts hang even. Covered in metal plates, they don't scratch or scrape. Unless you wearing a cape, you better stay in your place. Because it's 30-38 and not the skin off your face. Dude, this LA, home of the dumb. Twist my fingers up to show these niggas where I come from. Carrying that rider, fell an outsider. Blunt in my mouth and I'm looking for a lighter. I can get higher, walking through the clouds. Take a few shots, get wild, you know my style. The life of the party, take a life out the party. If we all came to party, then nobody leaves sorry. I guess this is the party song, hey. But when I wrote it, wasn't feeling that way. I was supposed to rap about dancing, but something struck a nerve and I went off on a tangent. I wanna say something fun. I'm sick of talking about my motherfucking gun. So have a drink, get numb, go dumb, put your finger in there if you the one. I guess this is the party song, hey. But when I wrote it, wasn't feeling that way. I was supposed to rap about dancing, but something struck a nerve and I went off on a tangent. I wanna say something fun. I'm sick of talking about my motherfucking gun. So have a drink, get numb, go dumb, put your finger in there if you the one.
Come here, man. Alright, so what you guys are gonna do is someone have it. Alright, who has the FAL? Alright, everybody stay there. Everybody stay there. Everybody stay there. Killjoy, follow me. Killjoy, follow me. No, only Killjoy. Only Killjoy. Alright. Killjoy, kill yourself. Yeah. Alright, take out your pistols and pick up my gun. When you pick up my gun, it's gonna have a grenade launcher. No, it should be right there. Pick that up. Alright, press left on the D-pad, shoot both new tubes. Oh no, you did it wrong, you did it wrong, you did it wrong. Alright. Alright, hold on, everybody stop following me. I'll tell you guys in a minute. Killjoy, follow me. Only Killjoy, follow me. Alright. Alright, Killjoy, what you're gonna do is kill yourself with your FAL. Alright. Then I'm gonna be on the other side here, pick up my FAL with the pistols. And only mine. Alright, then alright, now look up and shoot both new tubes. Do they change color? Alright, now pick up your pistol or your shotgun. Alright, press left on the D-pad and move around and shoot. Alright. No, you're not supposed to pick up any gun. Yeah, you have to switch to your other gun and do it with it. But you have to do it all over again. Oh, do you have two FAL classes? Alright, hold on. Killjoy, I'm gonna do it with the Killjoy. Everybody go on the other side of the map and do something with each other. Okay? Dude, get away. Get away, dude. Get out of here. Alright. Killjoy, kill yourself. Alright, I'm gonna be on the side over here. Alright, pick up your gun. Pick up my gun, I meant. No, it's over here. Dude, it's over here. It's over here. It's over here, dude. Pick up the gun with your pistols. You did it wrong again.